Hello everyone and welcome to the Autopedia channel. In today's video we are diving into the latest crash test results for three popular large SUVs, the Jeep Wagoneer, Chevrolet Tahoe and Ford Expedition. If you are in the market for a new SUV, you will want to see how these vehicles behave when it comes to safety. First up, let's talk about the Jeep Wagoneer. The Wagoneer is the only model among the three to earn the 2024 Top Safety Peak Award from the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety. In the small overlap front crash test, the Wagoneer maintained good survival space for both the driver and front passengers. The airbags and restraints work effectively, minimizing injury risk. However, it's not all perfect. The Wagoneer didn't qualify for the high Top Safety Peak Plus award due to its inadequate protection for back seats passengers. Still, it outperformed its competitors in critical areas. And now let's have a look at the Chevrolet Tahoe. Unfortunately, the Tahoe fell short in several areas. While it managed to maintain adequate survival space in the driver's side small overlap test, there was significant intrusion in the foot area. This resulted in a high risk of lower leg injuries for both the driver and the front passenger. But the passenger side test was even worse. Extensive intrusion into the footwell led to a substantial risk of injuries to the right foot and left leg of the passenger. Additionally, the Tahoe's performance in the pedestrian crash avoidance test was disappointing, especially at night where it struggled to avoid collisions. And finally, we have the Ford Expedition. The Expedition received a marginal rating due to the poor structural integrity. In both the driver's side and passenger side test, the A-pillar separated from the rock panel and there was excessive footwell intrusion. This contributed to a high risk of leg injuries for the driver. The Expedition also faced issues with its side curtain airbag, which failed to deploy in the rear passenger test. Also, its pedestrian crash avoidance system only earned a marginal rating due to the poor headlight performance. So what does all this mean? While the Jeep Wagoneer leads the pack with his safety feature, it still has room for improvement, particularly for back seats passengers. The Chevrolet Tahoe with his high risk of lower leg injuries and poor pedestrian safety at night, and the Ford Expedition with structural failures and inadequate airbag performance, both fell short of providing comprehensive safety. And with that being said, thank you very much for watching our video till the end and stay safe on the roads.